Good evening to all of you. So in this video, I am going to discuss logical reasoning. So as a part of the logical reasoning, we have the different concepts like that may be the coding and decoding, or that may be blood relations, directions, seating arrangement. So all these are the important topics. So the basic and important concepts are series, analogy, coding and decoding, and classification. For these four topics, we have the common introduction and every concept related to both number and letter related. So it means the number series and letter series. Similarly, number analogy and letter analogy, coding and decoding, number classification and letter classification. So classification means odd one out. In this video, we are going to discuss number series and letter series. Generally, whenever they given a sequence of numbers, like for example 0 comma 4 comma 18 48 dash 180, if they give a particular sequence of numbers, we have to find what are the missing number in the given sequence. Sometimes next number in the given sequence, that is called a number series. To find the missing number or to find the next number, we have to understand that what type of series is. If the series is increasing order or decreasing order, you have to focus on the difference. You have to give the preference for the square difference, that may be the n square, that may be n square plus 1, or that may be n square minus 1. So the logic should be anything. Sometimes the series is increasing order and decreasing order. For example, 19 comma 22 comma 20 comma 24 comma 21 comma 22 dash. So if they give this type of sequence, 19 to 22 is increasing, again 22 to 20 is decreasing. 20 to 24 is increasing, 24 to 21 is decreasing. That is called the combination of increasing and decreasing series is called alternative series. Hope all of you followed. So whenever they given that may be the increasing or decreasing series, which logic it follows, or if they give the alternative series, what are the different logics we have to follow. So we'll see one by one. So but for this, everyone should remember the squares and cubes. Got it? So first of all, memorize the minimum 25 squares everyone should, and 10 cubes. So these are the mandatory things along with the the prime numbers, then only this concept will be very simple for us. Okay. So for examples, so write down 3 comma 4 comma 7 11 18 comma 29. So here 3 plus 4 7, 4 plus 7 11, 7 plus 11 is 18, 11 plus 18 is 29. Similarly, the logic should be 18 plus 29 is what? 18 plus 29 is 47. So the answer for this question is 47. So dear students, so please understand this series is called Fibonacci series. So hope that who are having the programming knowledge. Hope that everyone heard this name, Fibonacci series. Yes. So this is called Fibonacci series. The answer should be 47. So hope is it audible to everyone's screen? Next one. 975, 864, 753, 642 dash. So please focus my everyone. Understand logic for this particular question. First digit is 9. Here first digit is 9, 8, 7, 6. That is one sequence 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Second digit you have to compare 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the answer is 531. The answer is 531. So hope all of you understood. Clear? Otherwise, you can go with the constant difference like 975 to 864. The difference is 111. 864 to 753. The difference is again 111. 753 to 642. The difference is a 111. The next number should be 642 minus 111 is 531 is the answer. Next one. Yes, in the introduction I already given this question. 0 comma 4 comma 18, 48 comma dash 180. That is completely increasing. You have to check with the difference first of all. You have to check with the difference. No. Yes. Listen, ma. Good. So, for example, 1 square into 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 square is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. Similarly, 2 square, nothing but 4 into 2 minus 1 is 4 into 1, 4. 3 square into 3 minus 1, 3 square means 9. 3 minus 1 is 2. 9 2 jar is 18. 4 square into 4 minus 1 is 4 square is 16 and 4 minus 1 is 3. 16 3 jar 48. So hope all of you understood the logic. 1 square into 1 minus 1, 2 square into 2 minus 1. So the logic should be n square into n minus 1. So it means that 5 square into 5 minus 1. So 25 into 4, 100. So option D is the correct answer. Understood? Next one. Next one. 36, 28, 24, 22 dash. This series is completely decreasing order. 36 to 28, the difference is 8. 24, 8 to 24, the difference is 4. 24 to 22, the difference is 2. So the next difference is how much? 8, 4, 2. The difference is what? 0 or 1. For 8, 8 by 2 is 4. For 4, 4 by 2 is 2. For 2, 2 by 2 is 1. Good. The answer should be 22 minus 1. 21 is the answer, not 20. 21. Clear? Says no. 7, 9, 13, 21, 37, dash. 7 to 9 plus 2, 9 to 13 plus 4, 13 to 21 plus 21 to 37 plus 16. So 37 to what? 2 4 becomes 8, 8 becomes 16, 16 becomes 32. So 37 plus 32 is 69. Got it? Got it? Next one. 56 comma 90, 132. So please like this video, and these are not only the examples. So we have a different types of examples: 56, 90, 132, 184, 248. So this is the first class for everyone. So hope try to understand. So 56 to 90, what is the difference? 90 to 132, the difference is 42. 132 to 184, the difference is 52. 184 to 248, the difference is 64. So the next difference from 248 to the finding number is what? Anyone? So we don't get the next difference with one line. 34, 42, 52, 64. There is no order. But if you observe clearly, 34 to 42, 8 is the gap. 42 to 52, 10 is the gap. 52 to 64, 12 is the gap. Initially 8 gap, 10 gap, 12 gap. The next gap should be 14. It means that 64 plus 14 78 is the difference. So 248 plus 78 is 326. So 326 is the answer, option D. So once again, try to understand the logic. Most important, we have to go with the two-step difference. So everyone should note down the examples. Don't looking to listen only this video, but everyone try to focus to note down the numbers. Next one, 14 comma. These are the different companies previous questions, especially from the number series. 14, 19, 29, 49, 89. Yes, previous one 326. For this one, simple one, 14 to 19, 5 is the gap. 19 to 29, 10 is the gap. 29, 20 is the gap. 49 to 89, 40 is the gap. Initially 5, 10, 20, 40. Next gap is 80. So 89 plus 80, 169. 89 plus 80, 169. So for most of the questions, the answers are fourth option D. But in exam point of view, don't think that all the questions are having the same option as correct. Got it? So if you are really improving your logical skills, that will more impact on our coding skills. So without logical skills, without problem solving techniques, we can't build, we can't improve our coding skills. Next one, 121, 144, 289, 324, 529, 576 dash. It seems all are squares. Everyone should pronounce it. So 121 is which is square? 11 square. 144 is the 12 square. 289 is the 17 square. 324 is the 18 square. Please repeat with me, everyone. 529 is a 23 square and 576 is a 24 square. So 11 square, 12 square sequence, 17 square, 18 square sequence, 23 square and 24 square also sequence. So two sequence numbers compulsory, but 12 to 17, 18 to 23. So 12 to 17 means 5, 18 to 23 means again 5, 24 to 5 means the answer should be 29 square. Sir, initially you said that have, everyone should remember minimum 25 squares, but the answer should be 29 squares, sir. How can we remember? So 29 square should be ends with a 1, and that should be less than 30 square 900. So there is only one option ends with 1 and should be less than 900. So 841 is the answer. So 11 square 121, 12 square 144. Please repeat. 13 square 169, 14 square 196, 15 square 225, 16 square 256, 17 square 289, 18 square 324, 19 square 361, and 20 square 400. Next one. 7 comma 26, 124 342. Got it? Sir, the given sequence is the increasing sequence, but it doesn't follow the difference logic. So this cube minus 1, 2 cube, 8 minus 1 is 7. 3 cube, 7, 27 minus 1, 26. 124, that is near to 5 cube 125, 125 minus 1, 124. 7 cube 343, 343 minus 1, 342. Got it? So definitely the next square should be what? 2 cube, 3 cube, 5 cube, 7 cube. The next cube is not 9 cube. The next cube is the 11 cube. So 2, 3, 5, 7 are not the prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7 are, so 2, 3, 7, 5, 7 are not the odd numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7 are prime numbers. So the logic should be prime number cube minus 1. So 11 cube minus 1 is the answer. 1331 minus 1, 1330. So got it? So it is cube minus 1, prime cube minus 1. Next one. Next one. 256, 4, 256 4 81 3 dash 2 1 1 to the power 4 is 1. Anything 1. 2 2 power 4 is 6. 3 3 power 4 is 81. 3 4 is 81. 4 4 to the power 4 is 26. 4 4 to the power 4 is 256. Sir, we don't know 4 power 4, sir. But very clear, 16 square is 256. 16 nothing but 4 square. 4 square whole square means 4 power 4. 3 81 means 9 square. Next one. 2 4 square is 16. 1 again 1 square whole square. So the answer is 16 for this question. Some different one. So every question seems different one. So without giving the explanation, the answer should be unknown. But once if you know the logic, the answer should be easy for us. Next one, 0.5, comma 2, comma 4.5, comma 8, comma 12.5 dash 12.5 dash. Got it? So 0.5, 2, 0.5 to 2, 1.5 is the gap. 2 to 4.5, 2.5 is the gap. 4.5 to 8, 3.5 is the gap. 8 to 12.5, 1.5, 2.5, 3, and 4.5. The next gap is sequence 5.5. So 12.5 plus 5.5 is 18. Got it? Next one. 18, 50, 98, 162, 242. 32 is the gap between 18 and 50. 48 is the gap. 98 to 162. 64 is the gap. And 162 to 242. Hope 80 is the gap. Check it once properly. So 32, 48, 64, 80. So 16, 16 gap ma. 32 to 48, 16 gap. 48 to 64, 16 gap. 64 to 80, 16 gap. But 80 to 16 adding 96 is the gap. So 242 plus 96. So 338 because last digit 216 is 8. There is only one option ends with 8. 338. Good. Clear? 345, 386, 429, 476, 529, 590. So 345, 386. Check the difference. 41, 386 to 429, 43. 29 plus 14, 43. 29 to 76, 46 plus 1, 47. 47, 476 to 529. So 24 plus 29, 53, and 529 to 590, 60 plus 1, 61. That is the gap. So based on that, what is the next number? You have to check it. Good. Clear all of you. 41, 43, 47. So 2 gap, 4 gap, 6 gap, 8 gap. Next gap is what? 10 na? 41 to 43 2, 43 to 47 4, 47 to 53 6, 53 to 61 8. So next gap is 10. So 61 plus 10, 71 is the gap. 590 plus 71, 661 is the correct answer. Hope all of you understood. So my dear students, don't neglect any topic in the reasoning part, that may be in the easy one or difficulty one. Should maintain some patience. Try to go through each and every questions properly. Next one, 12 comma 8, recently in Hexaware. Hope that all of you know that company name Hexaware. They asked this question. 12, 8, 6, 4.8, 3.43. 12 to 8, 4, 8 to 6, 2, 6 to 4.8. So, what way the logic, the difference is 4 to 1.2? Try to check it whether it is the correct or not. Anyone? 12 into 2 by 3 is how much? 3 4 are 12, 8. 12 into 2 by 3. 8 into 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. 4 2 jar and 3 2 jar 6. Hope that some of you understood the logic now. Into 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 into 4 by 5. So 6 into 4 by 5 is 24 by 5. So 24 by 5 means 5 4s are 20, point 5 8 are 40 means point 0.8. Same 4.8 means 24 by 5 into 4 by 5 becomes 5 by 6. So here 5 and 5 cancel, 24 by 6, 4. So the answer is 4, but whether 3.43 also follows the same logic or not. 4 into 5 by 6 becomes 6 by 7. So 6 4s are 24. 24 by 7 is 3.43. Yes, the answer is 4. What is the logic? Into 2 by 3, into 3 by 4, into 4 by 5, into 5 by 6, into 6 by 7. Hope all of you understood. Clear? Next one. 5 comma 10. So 5 comma 15. 30 comma 50. 105. 10 gap. 15 gap. 20 gap. So 10 becomes 15. 15 becomes 20. 20 becomes 25. So 50 plus 25, 75. So after 25, 30. So 75, 30, 105. So the required answer, the missing number is 75. Simple question. Got it? Clear? Next one. So these are some examples. So everyone should try these examples. Just to take the photo. So any doubt regarding that? Okay. So this is about the number series. These 10 examples you can try. So thank you, ma. Thank you all. So in next video, we can go with some new topic. Thank you. Thank you all. So please like, subscribe, and share it to your friends. So please give your requirement so that we can go with that particular concept accordingly. Thank you. Thank you all.